Okay, for today, I want to talk about something that seems to be an issue for a lot of people. We're going to focus today especially on men, but this is an issue for women too. But I get a lot of questions about, people saying, I'm eating well, I'm exercising, I just can't seem to move that sort of extra bit of weight and that extra bit of skin around the central abdominal area. Sometimes we call it the spare tire, that which goes all the way around to our love handles. We know what we're talking about, don't we, guys? So I want to just address a couple of areas and how we can help you here at Enhance for Life to get in the best possible shape and truly enhance the work that you're already doing. So we're going to tackle this on 3 levels. First and foremost, let's go to the muscular level. So we use EMS technology. We use a pad which is much like this. It's got a radio frequency pad on the surface of it, and we place this on the central ab. There's 2 pads that we put on there, and this will give you the equivalent of, they say, 20,000 crunches over a half an hour treatment. Now, there is the opportunity with this to burn a little bit of fat, but this is not, if you are going to be sitting there with sort of a large beer belly, this isn't going to get rid of it. This is when you're already working, you're doing your cardio, you're doing your planks, your sit-ups, and you really now just want to fine tune and get the best version of those abs you can. So we would start with the EMS pads on your abs for about 20 to 30 minutes. We would do 3 to 4 treatments over this, again, depending on the amount of work that needs to be done in this area. Following that, we then use ultrasound. It's a head very much like this. This head itself has 576 hits, as we'd call it, in one shot. So we take this, we place it around the abdominal area. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes. There are multiple depths and multiple intensities we can do this. So what we would do is we put the conducting gel across your abdomen and around to your love handle area. And then we work that through with the ultrasound for, as I say, 20 to 25 minutes at one depth, probably do another depth for another 20 to 25 minutes. So that takes about an hour. And then depending on your age, if we're talking about people who are, say, mid-40s and beyond, we also want to make sure that we're dealing with the laxity of skin. So we would do fractional radiofrequency with microneedling. So we would take a head very much like this. It has 64 microneedles in it. And we would use this to inject with the radiofrequency into the abdominal skin and around to the towards the back. And what this will do is it will help to constrict the skin to produce additional collagen and elastin. Now, both the ultrasound and the fractional radiofrequency with microneedling will take several weeks to start to see the benefit. And with all 3 of these treatments, it's cumulative in the effect. So within one treatment, yes, you'll feel a bit of tightness around your abs, but as you know, with any workout, it's not going to be done in one treatment. So we would basically assess what is the state of the area that we're treating. How many treatments are we going to need? Is it going to be 3? Is it going to be 4? And also then look at what are we going to see in sort of a month, 3 months, 6 months, etc. And then we normally recommend some top-up treatments. But again, this is going to completely depend on the state of the abdominal area, the laxity of the skin, your age, the way you respond to the treatments, etc. But the good thing is there's no downtime to any of this, really. You may get a little bit of light bruising and or there will be some puncture marks in your abs from the microneedles, but these will be healed within a number of days. So you really don't have to worry too much about, is this going to hurt? Is it going to take, a very long time to heal? And you will start to see the effects, as I say, within, 1 to 3 months, with then the maximum benefits, depending on the number of treatments, 3, 4, 5, 6 months from now. And that way, as I feel when I get up after I've done treatments on a regular basis, each day I get up and I look down and I think, oh my gosh, my abs are looking great. And it becomes this sort of situation where every time you look, they kind of get a little bit better and better. So That's what I would recommend for anybody who wants to tone up that abdominal area.